Hi guys, this is the makeup I've done in a hurry today. I'm taking this video in my car. It was really quick with just a few products. I'm going to share it after this. I've used a little bit of a glossy lipstick and a little... Oh god, wait, I'm waiting for sunlight. Tunnel, tunnel, tunnel. Still tunnel. Daylight, daylight. Yes. So run a little bit of eye makeup as well and a little tint on my cheek. So this is really easy. I have a bad hair day, but I had to get out, and basically these are the looks that I shared, which I do in a hurry, that makes sense and people can relate to. Check it out. I'm done with my skin routine, which is my moisturizing and my sunscreen. And right now my face is quite hydrated, so I want to leave it that way so it looks dewy. But I'm going to just take some powder with my finger, as in the Studio Fix, and just mattify some of the places where I want it. For daily makeup, you can very well apply your powder in spots with your finger. It just works fine. I really like this Chambord eyeshadow stick. It's kind of a honey gold, but it's very subtle. You just need to put it on the top of your eyes, doesn't need to be neat, and just blend it in with your finger. Curl your lashes if you want to, but definitely complete your makeup with a good mascara. I love using peachy orangey cream blushes. They look dewy, I mean if it's a dewy blush, which this is, and it gives a very natural glow. Use little product every time, and as in when you want more, just add to it. But if you apply a lot in the beginning, it becomes difficult to remove. Always set your eyebrows with a gel so that they don't move. If you need to draw them, you do so. I draw them only if my makeup is heavy, or I just set it. Fill out your lips with a nude lip liner. Make sure there's lip balm before makeup. This gives you a more even canvas to work on, because we all have pigmented lips and the lipstick stays longer. Then I'm going to take a darker lip liner that goes with my lipstick. I love this plum by Urban Decay, and it's actually a lipstick which is not just well pigmented color wise, it's also glossy. Surprisingly, although glossy, this lipstick stays all day looking the same. I always dab the first layer with a tissue and then apply another one. This is in case I'm using a glossy or creamy lipstick. Now just touch up the highlighted parts of your face with your Studio Fix and you're good to go. Hoping your makeup life has become easier. Do subscribe and follow and wait for more.